Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize the compass visibility in Rust. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the options, and then we're going to go to the options tab, and down here under gameplay you'll find compass visibility. So if you expand this little tab right here, you have a few options. So off, which means that the compass will be turned off at all times. On means that it will be on at all times. Hold means that you'll have to hold a button to enable the compass. And toggle means that you can toggle the compass on and off by pressing a button. So you can select any of those options. And once you've selected the option, you can exit out the settings and the options will be saved automatically. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.